Welcome back to Afro Sister channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get us a huge thumbs up. So today we got a snowstorm, as you can see. Yeah, we're going to be playing in it. Yeah. This is the type of snow you need. Guys, look! Hey! Guys, you see how look at how tall the snow is over there.
Oh my God, look here, guys.
Let me go in it.
Look at the neighbor door.
Whoa.
5 minutes later.
Store to get some stuff for the car.
How's the weather?
Not that good.
I can't bring my new Timberland. New boots.
Do that again.
Hold on. You ready?
Khadija, you do it.
Please continue scanning.
If you
Please
can
make
look
sure
for
to
me.
scan all items before
What's
placing
up?
them in the bagging
We
area.
cannot get hot.
Please make sure to wait. Help is on the way.
Okay.
Welcome.
No.
If you have your giant card, please scan it now.
These are good. These are good for you. Yeah, we never had these before.
No, no talkies.
We
That's
never-
a no-no.
We never tried these before. We never, ever, ever.
Welcome.
Go give
If you have
Huh?
your
Go
giant
give it to
card,
your daddy.
please scan
Yay!
it now.
Pringles.
No, don't get it. Sprinkles, 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 sprinkles.
That's for both of y'all.
Both of us?
Yeah.
She's just gonna take the whole.
How's the snow outside?
If you have your giant
Why
card,
can't I get
please
mine?
scan it now.
Because
Place your item in the bagging
Like
area.
we
Cannot.
never even had Takis before. Yes, we did. We never had Takis before. Yes, we did. Oh. We never had Takis
Welcome.
before.
If
Yes,
you have your giant
and
card,
yeah.
stop.
please scan it now.
Yes, we
In
did.
the bagging area.
But nothing even happened to us.
It's a snow day. No school tomorrow.
Can I show you guys one of my faves, Andy?
And guys, guess what we have?
What?
Guess what I bought?
Pringle. My favorite candy.
Oh.
So everybody, comment down below if you like these because I love them. But I can't get them because we already got 2 stuff.
Place your
And I need you more than ever. I need this more than ever.
Tell Vloggy what I got you guys.
Please
I need this more. She got us Pringles. Yogurt.
No, not that. The chocolate.
Oh, Dubai chocolate.
So we got, guys, we're gonna try the Dubai chocolate
When we get home.
when we get home.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go out. Okay.
All right, let's go.
And then we're gonna go outside and play.
donut.
All right, guys.
Welcome.
See you when we get
If
home.
you have your giant card,
And if we're gonna play with like somebody you guys might know.
place your donut in the bag. Place your item in the bagging area.
Are you placing every now and then.
Guys, so we made it back home.
Look at the snow. I can't run.
God, look at the snow. How deep it is. It's
Are we
like
still gonna come play?
trying to call them, but they're not picking up.
If you guys,
Don't do that. Why would you do that?
if you guys live in America, then good for you. Yeah, Texas.
Look at this. Look at the family car over there. Look at daddy's car. Look at my car.
Look
Yeah.
at everybody else's car. Let's go
It's
to
a snowy day.
Wait, Mom, can you hold this? Let's go to the big snow then.
Look at the bike. Everybody is home.
Guys, look. I can't wait for it. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, can we actually move it? Whoa. I can move it in this direction. Yeah. Can we get the sleigh?
No, we can't do that today. It's getting cold.
So we're not gonna play outside anymore.
Not. I don't think so, because it's getting chilly.
No, it's not. Hey guys, look. Wow! I want to make a snow angel. Guys, this is the person I'm going to play with. And guess what? She's my cousin. I am making a better video on YouTube with that.
Yeah. You are YouTube, girl.
I'm gonna make a snowman.
Really?
Do not really have a YouTube channel.
Huh?
I'm a YouTuber.
Really? You gotta share your YouTube with us.
Mom, 'cause
Oh my God. You okay?
yes.
What are you guys doing?
Say hello to my little friend. Guys, we got a Perry Benson.
Not on her face though.
The snow's going on my face.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay,
It's a
Mommy.
Bintu. It's enough.
Okay, come on, get up.
It's too cold. Don't trust her. Told you don't trust him. We got you now. We got you. There you go. Girls against boy. One boy. You're the only boy out here.
Yes, because I'm
Guys, it's cold. Oh my God.
came back from outside.
Yeah.
It was freezing, so we have to come back in early. So now Yeah, we got Dubai chocolate that we're gonna try. I know it's a little late to try it because it's all trendy in 2024. I mean, not 2024, 2025, but it's 2026 now. Let's just try it.
It's okay. It's still January.
Yeah. Okay.
Give me.
Okay, let's open it.
Give me.
Everybody gonna get one, okay? Be patient, please.
I can't wait to try it.
Me too. I can't wait to try
Okay,
it.
guys. So the outside looked like ordinary chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate. My favorite.
Outside looks like.
My
It's
favorite.
ordinary chocolate. Oh wow.
Wait. The white.
Okay.
The.
3, 2, 1.
Look at
OMG.
what's in there.
Pistachio.
What's that, yo? Ooh,
You guys share one. Share one.
What's your-
Break it, yeah. So break that. Miriam, break it and then give one to. Give half to Raheem. Good job. And you give half to Rakim. Rakim.
It's not yo.
Rakim.
Not my favorite.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Let's try it in 3, 2, 1.
I like pistachio.
Yo, this is good.
Is it given?
It's given.
It's given? Let me see. What is it made out of?
Here, if you want to try it.
Ingredients. Milk chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, whole milk powder, chocolate liquid.
Ew, yuck.
Yeah, it's made out of a lot of
It's
stuff.
yucky.
You don't like it? Don't put it on the carpet.
Don't put it on the carpet. Give it to Khadija or Miriam if you don't want it. Do you want it? Okay. How is it?
Good.
It's good. You like it? Miriam, how is it?
I like the pistachio.
Because it was I don't know, because like I can only taste the like chocolate.
Oh, you want to taste the chocolate? How is it? It's good? Okay, guys. Yeah, it was super, super cold outside. We went to the store and then we seen it there.
You guys went to the
Pistachio is
store?
good. Guys, so this is our day. So first we woke up and stuff, and then we got some Dubai chocolate. We went to Giant, and then we played in the snow, and then now we're making dinner, and we're about to go watch a movie in the cozy house with our
Okay, so this is the end of the video.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
We went to Walmart and then Khadija and Miriam went to play in the snow.
Yeah.
And we were staying in the house.
So
Me and Kid was staying in the house.
so
Yeah.
you don't get sick. Because
Yeah, you guys didn't come outside because y'all quick to get sick.
and you're
So
little.
yeah.
Stop.
Welcome. Okay, guys. So how was it like being outside? How was it?
It was fun when we was playing, but once we started mistakenly putting it on my face, it was all over me, and then I came inside because I couldn't feel it, and then at first like my face was red and stuff, but I put my
Your
face right
breath?
here. I put it in some water and it felt better.
Okay. Okay, so how was
Even-
your
even my
experience
feet.
playing in the
And
snow?
I'm going
This year we got a
to-
lot of snow.
Yeah.
And guys, if Raheem and Raheem went in the snow, it would just set them up.
Yeah.
Especially Raheem.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Rakim only got this much space.
I know, right?
Yeah.
He would be like this. Like that.
Okay. So the Dubai chocolate. So we tried the Dubai chocolate for the first time and we're gonna rate it. Raheem, remember the chocolate that you ate? Not 1 out of 10. What's your number? What's your rating?
1?
1. So that means you didn't like it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it's bitter.
I like it.
Okay.
Then you give
Khadija.
it a 10? Yeah.
Yeah.
1 out of
I
10.
give it a
What's your
10.
rating?
Okay, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 'Cause it's good, but it was too sugary for me.
Okay, Miriam.
Khadija, a million out of a million.
Yeah, because you like sweet.
Yeah.
With me, to be honest, I really liked it.
Yeah.
I like it. It was nice. It was good.
I really love the inside because it was like
pistachio.
really crunchy and like
Can
really
you buy pistachio?
yummy.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good. So, yeah. Maybe next video we're going to try to make our own.
If you want to see that, just go to our next video. That's gonna be our first ever.
We're gonna try to make our own. Maybe next time.
Maybe girls versus boys or sister.
No, we're just gonna make one. Everybody gonna just
We're just
help.
gonna like work together.
Yeah.
And then like we.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, make our own.
Thanks.
Yeah, guys. So we're about to end this video right
Mommy,
here.
Oh, and God, and Mommy, guess what? On YouTube, I saw that they even got a la boo Dubai chocolate.
Okay,
Really?
guys, so this is
Yeah.
my computer that I got. It's pink, my favorite color.
I got a computer.
Yeah, it has a K on it that's pink. And then this is where I put it in. It's purple. The charger, and then this is my iPhone.
I got
And then she has an iPad because she's an iPad kid.
tape.
Okay, guys. Let's end the video here.
Okay. For watching, make sure you like this video for more videos.
Yeah.
I love you, YouTube.
I love you.
See you guys in the
Yeah.
next video.
See you too. See you guys in the next video.
Quack quack.